Welcome to my channel. Today, the 24th of January 2021. As I speak, the snow continues to drop in the West Midlands. So, welcome to the unique snow season in the UK. Time to drink tea. So, grab a cuppa and then subscribe. In this episode, I will discuss the Robinhood sudden decision to cancel the launch of their platform or app, if you like, in the UK in 2020. You see, so many questions comes to mind as the management announced the decision to cancel the launch. And in this presentation, I will examine the why and the what vis-a-vis regulation or conspiracy. Okay, before then, let me quickly tell you about the company. Robinhood. You see, Robinhood is an American app-based stock brokerage that offers commission-free trading. It was founded in Palo, California in 2014 by two former Stanford roommates, Baiju and Vlad. Their reason for creating the platform is because the various fees attached to the trading then often deter young people from entry the market. So by eliminating fees and streamlining the process, Robinhood hopes to open up trading to a new demographic. The tool is the fastest growing brokerage in history and was the first finance app to win an Apple Design Award. Meanwhile, let us talk about regulations in the UK. The question that comes to mind is, did Robinhood get the approval to operate in the UK? Well, you see, Robinhood received approval from FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority, to enter the UK market in 2019. So, Robinhood obtained official permission to launch the product, the platform in the UK. And to let you know, shortly after the approval by FCA, the company recruited a reasonable number of people as part of their workforce in the UK. Then, followed by the introduction of waiting list for all potential customers. Then, the app had a waiting list of more than 250,000 people in the UK ahead of a launch plan for the year. Okay. Why am I telling you all this? I think you want to know. Well, this is to establish the fact that Robinhood did not violate any rules and regulations laid down by FCA. In fact, from the onset, they did put an effective management mechanism in place for the effective running of the company, meaning the sudden cancellation has nothing to do with regulation. Okay, let us also examine the incident in the United States when the 20-year-old student Alex Curran killed himself last year, 2020. More so because Curran appears to have mistakenly believed that he had lost $730,000 using the app. Well, to inform you, US government did not shut Robinhood down because of that incident. However, US lawmakers pressed Robinhood to improve its safeguards in the wake of the student death. Okay, are you still with me so far? Now, you see, the incident happened in the States and not in the UK, so they did not correlate at all. And again, listen to what Robinhood said about why they canceled the launch in the UK. You see, and I'm going to quote it. According to them, and I quote, "I work on a company level. We've gone to recognize that our efforts are currently best spent on strengthening our core businesses in the US." Let me emphasize that. Strengthening our core businesses in the US and making further investment in our foundational system, end quote. And in another statement, and I quote again, "Although our global expansion plans are on hold for now, we will continue our work to democratize finance for all, and we look forward to the day where we can bring this mission to UK. End quote. Okay. Can you read in between the lines within those statements? This probably explains why some of my friends have argued that it was a conspiracy against Robinhood in the UK by other brokerages. However, I probed them further and asked why, and perhaps if they could tell me, give me some reasons for this statement. Well, in their responses, they said if and when Robinhood is operational in the UK, the company will overshadow the likes of eToro, IG, 3212, Free Trade, Plus 500, Pepperstone, etc. So, my question to my audience is, what do you think about this story? Please leave your comment below. And then, if you ask me, I will say other brokerages need not to be afraid. All they need to do is to borrow a cue from Robinhood innovative and management skills and join the game. Meanwhile, for you and me, the investor in the UK, we need diverse platform, and this can only happen through competition. Like in the States where they have so many brokerages, like TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab's, Interactive Brokers, E-Trade, Webull, Robinhood, etc. Okay, here comes the best part. Do not forget, our target is 500 subscribers. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.